Loves, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. I'm Nidhi and I'm back with my OG lipstick review videos. I'm super excited. So today I'm here with a viral lipstick from the house of Maybelline, which is their ta-da Maybelline Superstay Teddy tints. I am seeing so many influencers talking about them, and the shades actually looked so good. So I had to try out the nude shades because I know these videos are very helpful for you guys. So let's get swatching, testing, and reviewing because I've already tried out these lipsticks, tested it out, and I have my own thoughts. So let's get started.
You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been
Okay, so सबसे पहले तो जो शेड मैंने खरीदा था that was Latte to Go because बहुत सारे websites पे they were almost like out of stock. So Amazon site could grab this shade which is Latte to Go, while the other shades I picked off from Myntra Beauty. So I have Keep It Cozy, Knee High, and Skinny Dip. So I have like all of the brown tones and mauve tones that I know would be good nudes. But I've got 4 shades out of the 10 shades that they've launched, and सारे ही shades अच्छे हैं honestly, out of which I felt these would be like perfect nudes for almost medium, dusky, deep skin tones, इनके shades के according, so I picked these ones up. Now you get like 5 ml of product in this kind of color coded packaging. The packaging is actually very, very cute. I really like the packaging. It is nice and thick packaging. It's having a very nice cushiony texture, feel and everything is nice. You get stickers at the bottom. Expiry manufacturer सब किया हुआ है, so even if you throw out the outer sleeve, you have the expiry intact on the cube itself, so that is a very good thing. And इस पे सारे आपको details तो मिल ही जाते हैं जो wrapper आप basically फेंक देते हो MRP वगैरह. Packaging, it is color coded and you just twist it to open it up. You get the doe foot applicator, which is also again chubby. I really like the fact that it is a good chubby lipstick. मुझे अच्छा लगता है ऐसे for basically. So they've marketed these tints as a lip and cheek tints, and आजकल तो Korean tints का बहुत ज़्यादा trend है, and I personally am a sucker for Korean lip tints like the ones from Etude House. I love them. So ये देख के मैंने तो सीधे 4 shades order कर दिए. Talking about the formula, it is a buildable tint formula. So start में when you just apply it, you can see it is going sheer, while you can like gradually build it up if you want a pigmented like blurry lip look, and if you want that, you know, soft look on your lips, then you can just use like 1 to 2 coats of it and that would be enough, is what I would say, and I'll tell you why. The formula, जैसे मैंने बोला, first coat that you apply is quite sheer. You can build it up, and when you apply it, it goes on very comfortably. एकदम smooth सा जाता है ये lips पे and feels very lightweight. Honestly, in the very first layer when you apply it, feels soft matte. Once it starts to dry down, but the thing is, इसे dry होने में समय लगता है, like approximately 5 minutes is what I would say. This would need to settle down to that complete matte finish, and then it becomes like transfer proof. So if you like check, अब ये जाके transfer proof हुआ है because it is like already there on my lips from like last 5 to 7 minutes now. So definitely it is soft on the lips, comfortable, dries to a matte finish, and is also very long lasting. Did survive meals. Now the con that I felt was with these lipsticks, when you initially apply them, they feel very soft, you know, velvet mousse like in texture on your lips, but then as it goes on drying, it starts to get a bit sticky and tacky. That is when you can actually kind of feel that yes, you are wearing a lip product on your lip, if you like understand what I'm trying to say, because now it is kind of sticky. So जैसे जैसे ये dry होता है, वैसे वैसे ये थोड़ा थोड़ा sticky होते जाता है. So then mumming your lips is not a good option, because start में काफ़ी comfortable था, but dry होते 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 ये थोड़ा sticky and tacky होने लगता है. So I would not recommend layering like 2 to 3 layers of this tint. I feel one thin layer is enough, because ये tint है, so why not use it like a tint and not try to get that opaque finish out of it, because that too many layers is gonna give you a lot of stickiness, which you would for sure not like. And so I would just recommend a thin layer, but still I do not like the stickiness. Anyways, so yes, that was a thing that I noticed with this, but definitely it is transfer proof. It is smudge proof. It does not transfer. I do not have anything white right now except for this paper. Oh god, it did transfer. As you saw, abhi when I checked it, it is kind of transferring because it completely settled nahi hua hai abhi tak. So it does take time to settle to that finish and become long lasting. Mind well, uske beech mein if you try to check, it is gonna transfer and not be that long lasting. So if you want it to be very very long lasting, do not mum your lips and do not try the transfer test, because it's going to transfer. That is how the lipstick looks up close. Finish wise बिल्कुल कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा. It is not settling into the fine lines. भले ये हल्का सा sticky लग रहा है, still it is smooth on the skin. It is not exaggerating the lines on my lips, and that is the thing I like about it. Just the thing that थोड़ा सा sticky है, and जब तक ये transfer proof नहीं होता, like जब तक ये completely dry down नहीं होता, it is gonna transfer. So let it dry down. Drying time थोड़ा ज़्यादा है इसका, but it is also long lasting. The only downside to this is the sticky feel, which I did not enjoy. So I would kind of use this more so like tints and not like a bold matte color, because then मुझे ज़्यादा product use करना पड़ेगा and ज़्यादा stickiness face करना पड़ेगा. So those were the tints, and they also said that you can also use it on your cheeks as a cheek tint. So you can use it both the ways, but obviously cheeks पे भी ये stain करेगा, because these are tints. These are gonna leave a stain behind. MRP is 749 rupees of these tints, and you get 10 shades to choose from, of which I tried out this. The one that I'm wearing right now is the shade Keep It Cozy, which looks like a good brown nude. Sad part is that again, ज़्यादा brown tones नहीं है for medium dusky skin tones. Con number 2 is that the shade range, the deeper tones and nude tones are not as many that would cater to the dusky and deep skin tones in the market. Market is huge. We need more brown tones here because these are not all. Let's retry if it transfers. Okay, now it is not transferring. So definitely time लगता है इसे settle होने में. But yes, that was my short review on the new Maybelline Superstay Teddy Tints. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and the swatches. If you found it helpful, do subscribe and join the Trend Fam, and we shall meet soon in the next one. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.
But if I lay down and I play dead